So you want to set up your home bar. पहले equipment के बारे में, which is a shaker. Shake and mix your alcohol really nicely. 30 and a 60 ml jigger. It'll give you an accurate measurement of the liquid that you want to pour for your cocktail. Important one that you should also have behind your bar if you love cocktails. अब घर पे किसी ने वाइन की बॉटल बेच दी जिसमें कॉक हो, बट हमें खोलना नहीं आता. This is where this comes in handy. So you want to set up your home bar, but ये नहीं पता कि मैं शुरू कहाँ से करूँ. But don't worry, I have you covered, giving you a list of all the equipments and spirits that you need to start your home bar. That will help you serve really amazing liquid. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and watch the entire video till the end. And before we begin, here is your chance to win a Speedex bar worth 50,000 rupees for your house by only following one simple step. Let me know in the comments below why you deserve this bar and you will get it for free. And before we get into spirits, हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे इस पहले equipment के बारे में, which is a shaker. Now this is a Boston shaker and it's a 2-piece shaker set. क्या होता है basically इसमें जो आप liquid डालोगे and condensation होगा, and while you're shaking it, these two glasses will hold each other very tight and freeze, and this will help you shake and mix your alcohol really nicely. The second kind of shaker in the market is a cobbler shaker, which is a 3-piece set. So you have your glass, you have your cap and you have a strainer. And this is basically important or necessary ताकि आप जब shake कर रहे हो चीज़ों को इसमें, you don't have ice or even fine particles that might fall out while pouring it in your glass. Next up we have a jigger. Now jiggers are plenty in the market. आपको बहुत मिलेंगे 45-90 के, but this is a 30 and a 60 ml jigger. It'll give you an accurate measurement of the liquid that you want to pour for your cocktail. And apart from this, we have the multi jigger, which has different levels of measurement, which is already printed on it, ताकि आपको फिर से accurate measurement मिले. Now in the market, you will find a lot of strainers, but this one over here is a Hawthorne strainer. अब basically क्या काम करता है कि आप जब cocktail बना रहे हो and you're using big fruits or veggies and you've muddled them to get flavors in your cocktail, this will stop it from entering in your drink. Now this is another kind of strainer that bartenders use behind the bars, and an important one that you should also have behind your bar if you love cocktails. Basically, सारे stirred drinks जो आपके बनते हैं, for example like a Negroni, we use a julep strainer. Same thing, fits perfectly in your mixing glass and also stops big pieces of fruits or veggies to enter in your cocktail. Now the next equipment is the muddler, and इसका basically काम यही है कि आप अपने fruits और veggies को अच्छे से muddle करो in your mixing glass ताकि उसके सारे juices अच्छे से बाहर आ जाए for your cocktail. Now the next equipment is a bar spoon. अब ये है तो दिखने में काफ़ी सिंपल सा इक्विपमेंट, बट इफ़ यू सी द ग्रूव्स इन योर बार स्पून, दिस हेल्प्स योर कॉकटेल टू स्वर्ल वेरी एफिशिएंटली एंड इवनली ताकि आपके कॉकटेल्स ओवर डाइल्यूट ना हो. सो द नेक्स्ट इक्विपमेंट दैट वी हैव इज अ वाइन ओपनर. अब घर पे किसी ने वाइन की बॉटल बेच दी जिसमें कॉक हो, बट हमें खोलना नहीं आता. दिस इज वेयर दिस कम्स इन हैंडी. So if you want to learn how to use a wine opener, comment below. So next we're going to talk about glassware, and we are going to start with a highball glass. So आपके सारे whiskey sodas are made in a highball glass, जहाँ पे आप काफ़ी सारा crushed ice या फिर even tall ice डाल सकते हो. And mostly जिन cocktails में fizz होता है, we use a highball glass. Then we have the rocks glass. For all your cocktails like an old fashioned, or even if you want to enjoy your whiskey neat, you would probably drink it in this one. And now this is a Copa glass. अब आपने बहुत सारे सुंदर cocktails देखे होंगे और पिए होंगे in this glass, and that's because it has a very narrow top and a very broad base. And usually with gin, or when you have gin, you make your cocktails with a lot of garnishes. This has enough space to hold all those garnishes. Next up, we have cocktail glasses. So whether you choose a martini glass or a daiquiri glass, that's up to you. But we usually keep this to serve some really fancy cocktails. Now the thing is, ये glasses तब हम use करते हैं जब आपकी cocktail में ice नहीं use होता. And precisely क्योंकि इनमें एक stem होता है. Now this stem is where you hold the glass from and not from here, because अगर आप यहाँ से पकड़ोगे तो आपका cocktail बहुत जल्दी गर्म हो जाएगा and it will taste really off. So don't do that. Now the next set of glasses are for all the wine lovers. This one here is a white wine glass. Now इसका bottom bulb काफ़ी छोटा है and it also gets very narrow at the top, and that's because white wine में tannins नहीं होते. So when you're swirling, all your delicate scents stay preserved that gets directed to your nose. Then we have a red wine glass. Now unlike the white wine glass, this red wine glass has a broader bottom and narrow on top because red wine as a wine requires aeration. And that happens when you're swirling ताकि आपके tannins काफ़ी soft हो जाए and they're not harsh when you try to taste it or in your nose. Now this glass is my favorite and it's called the flute glass because it actually looks very fancy. Used for your champagnes and your sparkling wines, it makes the bubbles look pretty and also last longer, and that's because of the tapered bottom over here that you can see. And you don't need to swirl this one because the CO2 is already trapped, and so it's a really nice glass to showcase your champagne. Cheers! And now to the best part, I would recommend you some very beginner level spirits that you should keep in your home bar, which are entry level and fairly priced, so you're not making a big hole in your pocket. Starting with whiskey, I would recommend have a Jim Beam Honey, which is priced at 1200 rupees, and the Paul John Nirvana, which is priced at 1800 rupees. For gins, some really nice entry-level gins is one Roku gin from the House of Suntory, priced at 3400, and Stranger & Sons gin, which is priced at 1400 rupees. And now in rums, for the love of God, please keep an old mug, नहीं तो मुझे बहुत गालियाँ पड़ेंगी कि मैंने नहीं बोला. But my personal favorite is the Rock Paper Rum Tropical Coconut and the Kamikara 3-year-old, priced at 1300 to 1800 rupees. For an entry-level tequila, a decent tequila to stock up on is the Jose Cuervo Silver Tequila. Now it's great for cocktails and to take as shots, priced at 2200 rupees. And now finally for a vodka, an entry-level vodka that I would personally recommend is Sky Vodka, priced at 1300 rupees. I think it's a decent fit to have in your bar. And now for liqueurs, you need two liqueurs in your home bar. One is Cointreau and one is Kahlua. Cointreau is an orange liqueur and Kahlua is a coffee liqueur. And if you want to learn how to use liqueurs, drop a comment below. And now the final thing that you need in your home bar are bitters. These are concentrated botanical extracts that are used as seasoning for your cocktails. And now if you are someone who wants to get into the world of cocktails or even try to learn how to make them, it's a must-have in your bar. I would personally recommend Angostura bitters, which are priced at 2400 rupees. So there you go. Now you have a list of everything that you need to build your beginner's home bar shelf. And if you like our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Talk India.